Saturday, I've taken all the cushions off. It's all stacked in the back. Right, taking everything out of me in my box, and now I'm in the middle of taking my 2 batteries out and the inverter. It's not going to make the van lighter, but it's going to distribute the weight better. So I'm going to take the 2 batteries and the inverter and just move them sort of 3 foot forwards into the front seat, just to help take the weight off the back axle. The back axle is the one I'm worried about. I'm not worried the fact that I've only got sort of 300 kilos before I go overweight. I mean, you come to expect that because you're loaded all the time. But all I want is that I'm just a little bit worried when I do pack it up to go off on holiday. I should be towing the caravan next time, and I want the weight distributed further up the front, so when the caravan sits on the drawbar, my back axle weight doesn't go over. You know, sort of 300 kilos isn't a lot. It's under half a ton. So if I can keep moving all my stuff up the front and help just distribute the weight further up the front to be able to tow better. Right, I'll get on with it. It's pointless filming it because it's as simple as just extending the cable in, because I'll leave the fuse box in there. I'll just run the main wire up to that terminal there. That's the one that supplies all the fuse box, so I've only got to extend that. I've just been and got all my cable out, battery cable and earthing cable, so everything can go in there. I've got a ground point bolt down there in the floor already. Cut that in ready. That's where one of the anchor points for the floor for the tie downs are in the original van. So you can see how thick my floor is. I don't suffer with any creaking. Three-quarter ply, then the insulation, then the laminate. In hindsight, I wish I would have used sort of 9 or 12 mil ply on the floor. With the laminate, I wouldn't have suffered with creaking or anything. I just didn't want to chance it really. Never mind, I'll get on with it. Right, fuse box back up on the wall. Battery's gone, racking's gone. Just got to tidy up in there a little bit. Move to the front seat. 2 batteries are in, strap on, whatever strap-on's in. Inverter's been put down there. Put a junction box in, so the inverter can go into that junction box. It's plugged into the inverter, then into the junction box, so it feeds. Mark that one inverter, that one's mains, so I don't have to keep opening up the seat. It's just like plugging an extension lead in it really, so I don't have to go into the seat. But there is a second wire there which runs all the way back, because I already had it there. I put one with a USB in case I wanted to charge a phone overnight when I'm in bed. But anyway, the in series, and the inverter is plugged in. That's the relay for the inverter, so I haven't got to keep opening up the seat and turning it on. Alright, I've put a relay in line, and that's run up, as you know, to this top panel. That's the lights in the back. Turn it on. Bloody bright light on that one now. And now it's on. And then when I turn it off, you can hear it shut down. They always make that squeal when you shut them off. All of them do. So there, that's that done. I'm going to get copyrights having the radio going, aren't I? Never mind. Right, that's it. I got to tidy up now.